Hey guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok, Covent Garden. It's Wok Wednesday once again, and this week it's all about oyster sauce beef with broccoli. So first off, you want to blanch your broccoli 2 to 3 minutes just to get that crunchy rawness out. Once you've blanched your vegetables, you want to set up your wok clock of ingredients. Start at 12 o'clock with your ginger and your spring onion, your beef. We've got some lovely sirloin steak. You can use rump or sirloin, anything quick cooking. With the sirloin, I'm going to give it a good bash just to flatten out the meat. That will also tenderize the meat before you marinate it. Marinade, really simple. A classic Cantonese marinade, light soy sauce, sesame oil and a pinch of sugar. Just one quick layer of light soy. About half the amount of sesame oil. Good pinch of sugar to accentuate the sweetness. Give that a good massage through. Just take a teaspoon or so of corn flour. That will again help to tenderize the meat if you're leaving overnight, but also sip into the sauce and thicken the sauce later on at the stir fry stage. So what you're looking for is a nice sort of creaminess and a slight stickiness around the meat. So you know all that flavour is packed into the meat itself. Right, so wok cooking is all about high intensity heat. How you control that heat. It's what we call understanding your wok hay. If you understand how to control your heat, then you're a true wok master. It's important when you're cooking at high heat to understand how to cool your wok down. There's 4 simple tips. Number 1, stirring. It's a stir fry after all. Number 2, pushing and folding with your spoon down, not up, otherwise you throw it at yourself. So push, 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 push. Number 3, the wok toss. Lift your wok up and a long push forward and a quick flick back. Nice and relaxed. No shaky shaky, nice and relaxed. The 4th way is what we call the tummy in the head. Round and round, back and forwards. Round and round, back and forwards. Round and round with your spoon, back and forwards with your wok. We're going to add oil bit by bit. When you first start, baste your oil, make sure it's smoking hot like so, and then your ginger can go straight in. Spring onion with it, and fold that through nice and quickly. Flick that through once or twice so as not to burn your veg. Take a little more oil, about half a teaspoon. And when that oil is smoking hot, you can see that smoking away, then you're going to put your beef in and just try to separate out the pieces. Sear that beef and then bring the veg over the top so it doesn't burn. And you can see I'm really pushing into this beef now. And I'm going to turn this once over and you can see the lovely charring on the first side. Sear the other side. Don't want to overcook this. So my blanched veg, my blanched broccoli is going in. Flick that through a couple of times. Next up, your sauce. We've got some oyster sauce in there, chicken stock, and a dash of dark soy sauce and a pinch of sugar. Really, really high heat now. Straight over the top. Now all we have to do is bring that to a vigorous boil. Stir it through once or twice and your dish is ready. And keep the vibrancy of the broccoli. Nice charred finish on the beef. Wouldn't be a chef without a bit of garnish. Lovely savoury flavours from the oyster sauce. You can taste that ginger and spring onion. If you like this recipe, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Subscribe to the School Wok channel and like the recipe. Like the video. And like us. Like us?
Like the video.
Like the video. Follow it. Like the video. Subscribe and like.